Perfect. Perfect.
Oh shoot, I never take out the concealer for clean my. Hey my natural beauties, what's good? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video, guys. Now this hey lady, please. I beg you.
Sorry, I beg you.
Okay, yeah, but I need you to not like be so noisy, okay?
Sorry, I'm so cold.
Alright. So today I'm going to be doing a quick makeup look for you guys. It's not like an official makeup tutorial per se. I'm going to be doing an updated go-to makeup look because my about to run on the road, so I wanted to do something really quick and I wanted it to be talked through. However, I'm gonna kind of speed it up a little bit in the sense that I won't be taking forever to explain everything. I just want to justify why I use the stuff that I use. So if you guys want to see that, then keep on watching. And I might just quickly do something to my hair. I'm gonna have a little family and okay, it's daytime but I wanted to use my ring light. Anyways, if you guys want to see this video, then keep on watching. Do not forget, guys, please show your girl some love by hitting that subscribe button if you've not already subscribed, and also giving this video a thumbs up so I know that you like my content. YouTube is becoming a really big struggle, and to be honest, my views and my subscriber count does not match up at all. So I want you guys, if you watch this stuff, just, you know, thumbs up. It's free. Like, subscribe, it's free. All right, so yeah, stay tuned. Lord God, baby, you can pass my sharpener for me
Yes.
on the dresser, please.
Oh, really?
Oh, you know what, yeah, pass it for me, please.
Fine.
Y'all already know whose voice it is in the background already. If you wanna hear her, wanna know, yeah, she's here. No class today. So I'm gonna do my brows right quick, and I don't want them to be too thick.
Mom,
You don't see it?
you know what's in here?
Alright, then leave it. Alright, it's fine.
Hi.
They can't see you.
Oh, there.
Come right here.
Stop, see. Hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
Go on.
I'm not too fun to start.
Yeah, you're gonna find it. Alright, it's okay. Alright, guys, I don't know I'm loyal to my uncle. My uncle pencil is Bay all day, every day. So my brows are already thick. I'm not going to be like literally filling them in, and this one sharp, so I don't know that struggle there, right? It's just going to be a quick fill and go. Like, I literally don't need a lot of filling, so to speak. I just need to define the parts that look like they must struggle, and then that is all. So I'm just gonna brush that out quickly. And babe, you can pass a wipes on me, please?
Oh, man.
Sorry.
Okay,
Okay, fine. Oh god, I can't open this thing. Alright, I'm cleaning up with the Milani Secret Cover Concealer in number 5. I usually use number 3, but I realize number 5 is like more realistic in terms of a skin match. So if I'm going for more of a natural look on that day, I'm literally just use this because...
Mommy.
Thank you, baby.
Here is.
Thank you. Oh, thank you. As I was saying, I use the number 5 because it's easier to blend, because it's more of a skin match than the number 3, which I normally use. The number 3 would be like a fawn in a LA Girl Pro. And this will always be my all-time favorite concealer for my brows and just general concealing, because it's just so skin-like. But I don't even know if this is discontinued or not. I've had these products for a while, so I don't know. So I always go up more than I want, you know. Like when I'm rushing, I always mess up my brows. But today I really don't care. It's not that serious. I just wanted to share something with you guys. So if my brows aren't perfect, I am not tripping, girl. Like, it's whatever. This brush from Girl Plus God Cosmetics is super dope for brows, like super dope. And it comes in the set. The review is in the description. Check her out and check out the products as well. Alright, I'm gonna set this with some loose powder from Black Opal and a fluffy brush. Use a smaller brush if you can, but right now, what does I use them I can't find, to be honest. So I'm using the Black Opal Deluxe Finishing Powder to just set my eyes. In my crease, Earth Glow by Milani. On another brush, and this is a B Small blending brush from a B Small makeup set, and I'm just sweeping this into my crease. Like, everything is just going to look like I'm wearing nothing today. Baba, easy with the laughing, please. Yes, you are. You're not laughing? Hmm? Yes, you are. Alright. My regular line eyes to give myself that smoky eye look. Guys, I swear I cannot see, so I'm literally freestyling all of this. The mirror is in my lap, but obviously I can't see it right now, so I'm just feeling for my waterline. I'd recommend using a mirror if you cannot do this. And I'm gonna, you know, line my upper lash line as well, because y'all know I do lashes. I have to do my strips each and every day that I wear makeup, so my eyes have to be lined, and I just like to smooth them out like this. It really makes a difference. I'm going to leave my lashes and everything until after, and I'm just wiping off any excess powder or anything that may have fallen on my face and allowing that to dry. So right now I'm going to be priming with the LA Girl Pro Prep. About that amount, not using a lot. I just need it like everywhere, especially around my smile lines. Alright, now you guys know I always go back in with my powder, my loose powder. I always go back in with my loose powder and set my primer as a part of my powder before foundation routine, which has been really just for the past, I'd say, 2 years. So I am using the same Black Opal powder in the medium. I'm gonna just do this. My inner my go-to closing now, so I'm gonna hope this now not to it, but this is called being in a hurry. And on a different note, guys, my hair is growing back and I'm so happy. Oh my god. Thickness, crazy. Still away on the length for coming back though, but you know, it will come. And that just sets everything in place. Well, at least the preliminary work. So my foundation today is the Black Opal. I love Black Opal, but I love Jordana too. So I'm using number 12, which is obviously very dark for me. I'm mixing that with 10 because I can't find my 11. I don't know where it is. Maybe it done. I'm gonna dash it because I don't keep track of these things. So what I'm gonna do is, remember the Jordana foundations are a 2-in-1, right? So I'm gonna be mixing the 10 and the 12 to get the 11. And then I'm going to be using the 10 as my highlighter today. So it's a 2-in-1, it's a concealer and a foundation, so it should give me the coverage that I need, but at the same time I really like the fact that it looks just like my skin. I kid you not, like just like skin. Hold on, clean this off. So today I'm using this B Small Face Angled brush. I used it on a client and I realized that I like the application, so I'm gonna be doing that today for my own face. Alright, so I want you guys to see, based on me applying this thing, how much it looks like me, right? It's covering, but it's not caking, and that right there is what I love. It's covering, but it's not at all caking up my face. I think that's golden. So since this is a you know, a real-time video, I want to know how the new year has been for you guys. Tell me in the comment section. Like all my loyal subbies and new persons who have recently subscribed to me, I want to get to know you guys. So, you know, let me know. Let me know how the new year has been for you. What's been up? How is the pandemic where you live? How is it affecting work? And if you have kids, how is it affecting their schooling? Just drop your country right now as you're watching this, and just, you know, tell me about yourself and tell me how life is going, because I am so curious to know how everybody else is coping in all of this. I'm hungry, so guys. Oh my god, I know I'm tired for you, I'm hungry, but that's because I'm always hungry, like always. While I'm asleep.
Mommy,
Yes, baby.
you hungry?
Yeah, you hungry?
Yeah.
Yeah, she take that from me. She always hungry too. Always ready to eat food, right, Baba?
Mommy,
Yes, babe.
what is it in the vacuum?
Huh?
What is it in the vacuum? See?
Oh, you
No.
in the game?
No. In the video.
In the video? Okay. Highlighting now with number 10, and I'm gonna put this. Yo, I really want to put it on a sponge, but I don't have the patience, if I'm being honest right now. I just use my finger. God no. I'm blending it out with the same brush. Cause today I'm not have the patience. None tall. None tall. I'm not have it. None tall. And I just need to brighten up under my eyes, so I'm mainly bringing it right up there. Right up so. Once it go up the so, I'm good. Understand? I want to get more into fashion videos this year, guys, because I get bored. Y'all know I get bored. You guys do not give the makeup tutorials the same views that the vlogs and like stuff, you know, stuff that I don't normally do. So I'm guessing y'all are just as bored as I am. Because I swear I be bored by content, like bored. So I'm just thinking y'all probably feel the same way about stuff that I do. After a while, how many makeup looks can you watch, you know? Shit. And I appreciate you guys who don't really like males and stuff, who obviously don't have any interest in makeup, but y'all watch it for me or set it to play and leave it for me. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate y'all. So I'm taking the, oh Jesus, I'm taking the same powder, the medium, and I'm just setting my face, you know, setting the highlighted areas. Alright, so I'm gonna be setting the rest of my face with the black opal powder in Jesus, not in Jesus, in deep. So that I am bringing everywhere else where I did not use the medium. I'm using the deep. Alright, just to smooth out everything. Smooth it out and make it matte. Now these products I swear by, so I use them religiously. You guys can know the products I believe in, you know, I use them every single time. You see my Jordana foundation? Nobody can tell me nothing about that, like not at all. Skin, hands down. And you guys see I've been exploring new brands, you know, such as the Juvia's Space and so, but believe me, there's nothing to me like that Jordana foundation, nothing. And that has been in my kit for a minute. I've used that on clients for a minute, and even on a professional sense, they are bomb. Yeah, girl. Right, so I'm gonna take my Earth Glow on the same brush become lazy and just contour my face. If you guys are doing everyday stuff, contouring with is like bae. Powder contour, bae. Because the creams take a lot of blending power. And I would even say a lot, you know, it just take more time to blend out. And for everyday, it doesn't need, it's not that serious. You understand? Alright, so I'm gonna go back into my crease and just kind of, yes, Baba, what you want? And I'm going to use some of the medium to just fill out my immediate lid, because I did not do that. I'm not even sure how much time we're gone. Again?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Sick heart?
It's because I wanted a bit more of a set in these places.
Oh, sorry,
I'm
Tommy.
just gonna, you know, just dust all of that away.
Yes, finally. Oh, Dr. Finally.
And that's every day.
Finally.
I mean, if I had my way right now, I would smoke this out, but I don't have time. I mean, I know, you know, but time just upon a different mission these days. Like a totally different mission. Time just different these days.
I find him.
I'm finding.
Yeah, I find a coin.
Find a coin.
Yeah.
Good job. Guys, tell me how it is. My 4-year-old still talks like a baby, and I know like 2-year-olds who talk grown. Marla wants to be a baby forever. I love it though. It's cute. Right, Baba?
Yeah.
Yeah. Call me crazy, guys, but I've been wearing the same pair of lashes for months. The only time I change my lashes is when I can't find them. And I can't find my original lashes, we took out a new one. But trust me, I've been wearing the same exact pair of lashes for months. Because I don't believe in wasting stuff. I don't know if you guys realize that, but I'm not like wasting. Everything is recycled, including the hair that I use. I mentioned this in my last hair tutorial.
Oh no. I was away.
Oh,
Germany.
then babe, I think you should forget me. Goddamn yourself, me, I know right.
Okay.
How can I go if you won't let me?
Yeah. Okay.
Every time I wear your work, that stress me. We used to think, say I'm a real fan, that I love you real and proper. You know, have a thing for worry your head. You go mix up with the streets and the chatter when I speak on the matter. What's up, guys? The other day I go on the road and I'm on the road and I have to buy a glue. Can you believe it? I have to buy a glue and catch up somewhere fast and glue up my eyelash. Come decide I'm not taking it off. I think what did happen was I waited too long. I was putting them on and I waited too long, and the glue, too much air gets into the glue. So I mean, like, quick and fast, I have to find a Chinese store and buy some ear glue, and they only had the big one. I said, look here, give me here, cause me now walk up and down and look so not the back foot. Mommy sweating.
Yeah.
Alright, so
It's the other one.
I'm lining with this brown pencil, an anchor pencil. I don't know the chop. What is? Anyways, yeah, I don't know if it's me, but my stash, sometimes it just looks dead, you know. Sometimes it look like it dead more than normal. Then I'm just gonna use this gloss It's very pink, which is not something that I love, but I wanted to do something different today. And just blend it out. So with that brown being so brown on there, the pink is toned down. So if you're using a loud lippy, that's a trick that you can use. So I just want my bottom lashes to pop a little more. When you put on the bag of powder, then your lashes them kind of go missing, you know. So I just kind of bringing them back up a little bit. Let that dry. Stop. No, you first stop. I'm using the ABH Glow Kit, babes. I use Golden Bronze, my favorite. And these are just careless. I use the one brush for everything. What a life to live. Bless you, my love. I'm brightening up in here. So I'm gonna really have on a blush. My cheeks need some colors. I'm going to be using this as a blusher still. The Earth Glow. Just kind of work that in. On the crease. In the crease. On the cheek.
Mommy.
Yes, my love. I know I did that come, man. It's fine. I soon get something to eat. Okay, guys. So this is the finished look. I did my hair in like a sleek-ish pony. And of course, this hairstyle is with recycled hair. Y'all guessed it.
Mommy.
Yes, you soon get the fan. My God, is this Oh, you're hungry? I'll soon give you something to eat. What you want? What kind of food?
No, I want snacks.
I want snacks. Okay, so this is the finished look. I'm gonna take out my phone off at airplane mode right now because I know it must have rained. Y'all know I use Diamond. Deep down I kind of feel like I do that ear tutorial already, and I'm gonna find it and put it in the description. I felt like I already did this. Yeah, it's really familiar to me. But this is it. My go-to face. My go-to face. My updated go-to tutorial. Not too much of anything, just simple but still like pow. Now those multi-pack lashes is what I have on my lids today, on my eyes today, whatever. The ones that come like 5 in a pack, and you have the teal and you have the pink, those are what I'm wearing. Now I think you can get them on Amazon or AliExpress or one of those simple sites, or a lot of Instagram, local Instagram stores have them as well. But I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. Don't forget to show me some love by subscribing if you've not already subscribed, and giving the video a thumbs up. Stop no more. Don't you think Sharon kept, you know, deep down? But yeah, thanks guys so much for watching. I love you, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have the most amazing day. So until next time, stay naturally beautiful, guys. Mwah.